Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Life with Ikey here. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's episode of Life with Ikey. It's going to be a tad bit different today. Not going to be as much, face-to-face talking like that usually happens in Life with Ikey videos, because this is the episode in which I'm celebrating my 20th birthday. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys a few clips of what happened on my birthday and then how I celebrated and kind of what happened, at least with the custom, a few days later. If you haven't already, please subscribe and watch the other videos. If you don't know exactly what Life with Ikey is, if this is your first time watching Life with Ikey, this is your first time seeing me, I would suggest go watching some of the, actually I'm not going to suggest, go watch the other videos. There are 2 other episodes, and as a matter of fact, the one tutorial that I have done on where I made a custom pair of jeans. Actually, let me see. You'll see that I made these jeans right here, okay? And I made them in like 15 minutes in the middle of a park. And that tutorial is already up, but I filmed it on my birthday, so But if you, like I said, if you haven't already, just go watch the previous videos. And next week, you'll be able to see the final episode of the Life with Ikey series pertaining to this one custom. After that, I'm just going to be coming out with a lot more, more grounded tutorials where each video is going to be set to a specific custom. So, yeah, that's just kind of some news, public service announcement. But let's just not waste any more time and hop right into the... Hey, what's up? My name is Isaac Reeves, aka Life with Ikey. I'm a 20-year-old creator from New York City who loves customizing things every now and then. In this series, you'll get an in-depth look at my process behind making new customs, and hopefully you'll be able to take away a few tips to use when making customs of your own. Now, before we get into this episode, make sure you're subscribed and click that notification bell. That allows you to be notified anytime I drop a new video, so you never miss out. Are you subscribed? Perfect. Thank you. Now, let's get into it. Welcome to Life with Ikey. Thank you. I'm about to help Uncle T get this bag for downstairs. So what's up? It is officially my birthday. I'm 20 years old, But I just kind of want to take this time to give you a quick tutorial on how to make a custom pair of jeans in 10 minutes or less. I kid you not, 10 minutes or less, right? It's cold. Just put the whole thing in the oven, including the bag. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Happy birthday, dear Isaac. Coronavirus. Happy birthday.
This feels like really weird.
Just make a wish. Caleb, what do you want him to do? Caleb, what'd you say? You want him, he's gonna make a wish after you finish talking.
So I'm like super duper grateful. Now everybody gets to make it to 20 and stuff like that. Yeah,
These next 10 years ago, long gone. They're gonna be just as fast as these 20. Well, no, they're gonna be as fast
It's gonna be
as.
faster actually.
No. They're gonna be faster than the last 4 years.
Laban, do you have any words of wisdom for him? Do you want
Words
to
of
pass
wisdom?
on something?
I
Do you
do
want to
have
give him
some
an
words of wisdom.
inheritance? You know, like
Sure, that's awesome. I can
like
always do
Esau
that.
to his sons.
Trust God. There's nothing better. There's nothing more. There's nothing else. I'm excited to see how these raw talents God will shape them if you let them. And if you don't let them, they'll just stay raw. But I think that you get into a place to where you're starting to see what God can do, and I just want to encourage you just to every day just surrender every day, and the more that you
The candle's dying. Hurry up.
the more that you
Hurry up.
the more that you decrease, the more that He will increase
Come on, it's melting on me.
through you and for you.
All right.
Blow it
Say a
out.
prayer and blow out the candle before it just goes.
That is so funny.
All right, Isaac.
I never seen a candle get that low. Yeah.
He was born just outside the awesome decade of the 90s.
Yo!
Go.